The Little Bird Who Forgot to Dream. In a world bursting with color, lived a tiny bird named Pip. Her feathers were a soft blue, but her heart was full of rainbow dreams. Every night, Pip would dream of swirling skies and singing flowers. When morning came, Pip's dreams would burst into her songs, making them sparkle like dewdrops. She'd weave bright, shiny berries and petals into her cozy nest, making it the most colorful home in the whole forest. But one sunny morning, Pip woke up feeling ordinary. She had spent all day collecting the shiniest twigs and the softest moss for her nest, and she was so tired she forgot to dream. Her songs became simple chirps, and her nest, though sturdy, looked quite plain. "Something is missing," she sighed, but she couldn't quite remember what it was. Her friend, Flicker the squirrel, noticed Pip's quiet chirps. "Pip, why aren't your songs as bubbly as before?" he chattered, holding a bright red berry. "I don't know, Flicker," Pip replied. "Everything feels less bright." Flicker showed her the berry, hoping its color would spark joy. Later, Bramble the rabbit hopped by, carrying a bouquet of purple wildflowers. "Pip, these remind me of your beautiful nest," she said, offering them. Pip admired the flowers, but the vibrant colors didn't quite reach her heart. She still couldn't remember the feeling of those wonderful, swirling dreams. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in fiery oranges, soft pinks, and deep purples, Pip watched from her branch. Slowly, a tiny spark ignited within her. "My dreams," she chirped, a forgotten melody bubbling up. The colors of the sunset swirled into her mind, and her heart remembered how to dream. Her songs became the brightest in the forest, and her nest, once again, was a rainbow of joy.